Today we're gonna make this beautiful heart-shaped rose flower wall hanging. To do this, we need white and pink paper, scissor, and glue. First, make a heart shape from the white paper. Then take a cardboard and glue the heart shape in the cardboard. Now take pink paper and fold it. Then take the sketch pen and draw a circle on it. Now take the scissor and cut the paper into small circles. After that, take a small cup or something circular and start gluing the circles on top of each other and make a flower from it. Now make 2 smaller flowers and 9 bigger flowers just like this. Then take a white paper and cut it into 4 parts. After that, roll the papers and make 4 sticks from them. Now glue the pipes behind the heart shape. And then, start gluing the flowers on the heart shape. First take the small flowers and glue them on the top and bottom of the shape and then glue the rest. After that, take the pink paper and make a small flower as shown in the video. Then glue the flower on top of the sticks. And congratulations, you have successfully made this rose flower wall hanging. Now remember, you can change the shape and color of the design to your liking as long as you get the idea of how to make this. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel, because we're just getting started in making this type of videos. So, see you next time.